Well, I just did a video, and of course I did a video, No. Really, I'm Pocahontas. I'm Pocahontas. I do what I do when I can do it. And the lights behind me, fuck it. Raggedy, fuckity, oh well, hey, I think I just lost I lost $5 on the lottery just now. Boo hoo hoo is me. And I gotta stretch my damn money. The beat goes on in the PM. Fuck is this shit going? Hey, where are you guys at? Like I'm live. What the hell? I got low batteries. I'm revving it up. Cheers! I'm gonna watch The Wonders tonight. The Wonders. What's up, Freddy Krueger? Fuck the atheism. Cheers, Bush. Cheers, the devil. Cheers. Toast to the state. Fuck. Taking a shower after this shit. Yeah, that's good shit. DCRs is where it's at. No, I don't have cable. I'd watch The Wonders. Right the fuck now, I'd watch The Wonders. Right the fuck now. But the copyright police they're gonna get me if I put the movie on. And I'm saving my fetish beer for tomorrow. No, this is Lawrence Screwdriver. Like the title said, read the title, Riz. Shit. Damn, I don't have money. Get fucking calculated. My money's fucked up. Nah, we weren't partying. Hell no. I gotta go to work at 6 in the morning. And that sucks. That sucks, Riz. I want Leah to make fun of me, man. Leah can make fun of me. Fucking pay her on PayPal. I was gonna drink some beer, but fuck it. You know, actually, I was gonna put on a movie. I got Genesee, Black Ice. I was looking up syndromes last night. Man, syndromes are nasty, man. Look at Sotos, Rets, Pfeiffers. Fucking gross. My fucking the lighting sucks in here. Fuck it. God damn. Got the new Blaze. And syndrome, man. Got 6 Slim Jims. Doritos. I don't know how I... Maryland. Oh, Leah is in Maryland. Oh, wow, that's so crazy. That's weird. That is weird. Very weird. Very weird. I just lost $5 in the lottery. Yeah. Fucking God. Fuck. Shit, my muscles. Get off me, fucking bug ass bitch. I'm watching The Wanderer soon. Garlic all the way. Man, zesty garlic Slim Jim, man. Tabasco is one of my favorites, though. Garlic Slim Jim sound. Get the fat, big, juicy Slim Jims, dude. They're killer. Get the Trappers, meat, shit. That's good shit. I got these. They're five. Five of these bitches for 3 of them for $1, 6 of them for $2. Can't believe them. What? How did I spend $40 tonight? I don't understand. Wait a minute. How did I spend? I didn't spend 40. I spent $44. 12. So I'm out like $8. I lost like I lost like $3 or $4. Who gives a fuck? My money, man. My money's stressed out as fuck. My money ain't funny, it's giggly. I'm gonna shut this bitch ass light. My fetish beer's tomorrow. Fuck it. Chug, 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 chug. I got Subway tuna fish and Italian pepperoni salami for supper. Salami, pepperoni from Subway, off the chain, no butter. Try these. Too hot. That's too much. The Dorito Blaze. Too hot. Can't handle this bitch. If you want me to put on the movie and get copy, if you want me to put on the movie or change my light, if you want to change my light shit, put a cap on my light or put a movie. If you want me to put on the Wonders right now, say me. Battery's about to die anyway. I'll put this shit on right now. Fucking 6 of these. 6 of them. Potato chips. Jones. This bitch. That's crazy. God, fucking Baltimore. Fucking quarter. Cowboy Western shit. Yeah, I'm gonna get me a Sunbeam. If I was gonna get me a grill, it'd be a Sunbeam, old-fashioned grill. Sunbeam all the way.
Hey, what? And what are you looking at, huh? You're looking at a baldy now, faggots. Okay, scumbag. Come on, look out the window.
Actually, Weber's good. I don't knock Weber. I thought Sunbeam. My papa had Sunbeam most of my life, dudes. You know, for fuck's sake, I ain't knocking Weber. I don't know. I never even had a Weber, people. I get Weber. Weber rocks. You know, and I know, but I get cheap. I get agent let me get fucking shit.
Get these motherfuckers! I know! Get back, you quick! What's the matter? I gotta go. What? I gotta go. You what? It sounds like a wander's in trouble. A what? I gotta go. I'm sorry.
Laughing my fucking ass off. Fucked up. Laughing.
Hey, buddy! Somebody's in trouble!
That's Subway.
We're gonna have to stop some ass, huh? Come on, it's Joey and Turkey. Hey, Joey, we're here, man! Don't worry, we'll find who's ever following you! The Baldies! Baldies? Oh, shit! Get out of here!
I left it at John's.
Leave the kid alone.
Nope.
Say something, man. Say something, mother. Hey, you hear me? I'm talking to you.
Leave the kid alone.
You know who you talking to, asshole? Beat it. Nobody fucks with the Baldies.
Wonders.
Leave the kid alone. Gotcha.
Your ass is crap, motherfucker. Beat it, scumbag. What's wrong with you? Sorry. Oh, what, they shave your head, Turkey?
Yeah, they shaved his head.
Oh, Jesus.
God damn it, I never thought I'd see a day when Terry backed down on anybody like that.
Do you see how chicken shit he was? Hey, he wasn't chicken shit, Joey. Terry ain't chicken shit at nobody, man. He's just waiting for the right time.
Are you kidding? Did you see what this guy did here, huh?
Hey, where'd he go?
Hey, come back here, man! Hey!
Hey, come back!
Yeah, it's a really good movie, Riz.
Leave the kid alone.
Huh? Joe. I've been looking all over for you, man. Where'd you go? Hey, I want to thank you. What you did back there, man, was great. Forget about it. Bing, ba-bang, ba-ding.
You shouldn't have wised off to those guys. But I don't like to see big guys pick on little guys. You know what I mean?
Hey, I can take care of myself, all right?
Yeah. Sure you can.
What are you doing here waiting for my elevator?
I'm waiting to go home.
Live here?
Yeah.
This building? Hey, what floor?
Four.
I live on floor. You're the new people, right? My mom told me that. Hey, how do you like that? We're neighbors. I'm Joey.
Perry.
Perry. Hey, where is it, huh? Where is it, you bastards on the 5th floor? You know what you're doing up there, you assholes? Excuse me, man. Hey, I heard about your old man, how he died. It's too bad. Anyway, the Wanderers are the guys to get in with around here. You know, we got a great football team, great athletes, lots of girls. Oh, maybe you can join up. I'll show you around. Is that okay? Huh?
Thanks.
Yeah, okay. Hey, look, you gotta get into a gang. I'm telling you, just ain't safe unless you're into... Hey, this is my father, Emilio. This is,
I feel like I know you're walking in the hallway.
Stop, would you
Harry! Darling, is that you?
Yeah, it's me, Ma.
Sweetie.
That part's where Sesame Street said, get the milk, bread, and butter right there. Classic Sesame Street, early 80s.
Been down to the store and get me a little something. Don't worry, sweetie. They won't ask you for ID or nothing. Okay?
Yeah. From Sesame Street. Sesame Street.
Okay. Well, you got a lot of doors around here. Great car, man. Great car. Come on, we're late. Hey, you get to drive your mother's car to school every day, huh?
Yeah, she don't drive it so much. She got some kind of high blood pressure. You know?
Too bad. Wait, are you 18?
Yeah, I'm 19. I got help back, you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure, I know. Joey! Hey, how's it hanging, huh? How's it hanging, guys? Hey, you were really cool yesterday, man. John Wayne, man. Hey, Joey, what's his name, huh? What's your name? I just want to meet him, man. Don't sweat, Joey. I just want to meet the guy, man. Come on, let's go. Joey! Get off my ass. Yeah, we all kinds of guys here. See these guys here? Those are the executioners in the poem. Over here to the left is the pharaohs, and they're Jewish. Over to the right in the green is the Irish and the berets. You're Italian, right?
Yeah.
Then you gotta get into an Italian gang, like the Wanderers.
Hey, Turkey, where's the Dalio, man?
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. All right, then you got your nigger gangs. You got your Cavaliers, you got your Pips here, and then you got your Malmouth. PB stands for Bell Bombers. Toughest nigger gang around, okay? Hey, Clinton Stitch. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. He's the PB Wong.
What's this?
Hey, Teddy Wong. Wong's 27 guys, all with the last name Wong, who all know jujitsu, could kill you with one judo charge. Hey, you got gangs like this where you come from?
Nah, we don't got this stuff in Transform, New Jersey, you know what I mean?
Hey, listen, don't worry about anything, man. You hang out with the Wanderers, and we'll take care of you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, Richie, where are you? Richie, we got him.
Richard Gennaro, man. Craig LeGuardia, how you doing? Listen, I want to thank you for helping us out. Anytime you need anything, just let me know, all right?
You got your homework.
Oh, that's a job. It's great. You can look like my handwriting. Thanks a lot, George. You're my main man.
Hey, Richie, man. Turkey, take your hat off. Get your feet off the desk. It smells bad enough in here.
That's very funny, Mr. Sharp.
I said, take your hat off.
Take your hat
What's the matter? You guys never seen a dog before? Hey, Mr. Sharp, man, you see what Zucchini just did? Shut up, stupid. Hey, you gonna make me, motherfucker? Come on, let's go.
Settle down. You both got detention.
Mr. Sharp, man.
Damn. Mr. Sharp. Now, them white boys here, they's getting obstreperous.
Obstreperous? Who do you call it?
Anybody know what week this is?
It's Brotherhood Week.
That's very good, Stitch. Now, who wrote this?
A Cadillac.
Hey, Lincoln. Race, creed, color. Now, I want to see how many different races, creeds, and colors we have just here in this classroom. All Jewish people stand up. Okay. All the Italians. Settle down. All color. What's the matter, Stitch? Don't we have a group to suit you?
Oh, no. I'm an Eskimo.
Eskimo pie? Okay. Colored Italian. Or is it colored and Italian? Is that the way your old man talks, huh? The color? How about you guys? What do you say after school? Italian? Come on, man, let's talk some straight talk. Let's call a spade. Okay, let's talk straight. Give me some names. Come on.
Nigga. Greaseball.
Yeah, that's right. You tell me.
Jungle Bunny.
Swamp Guinea. Thank you,
Jungle
Chippy.
Bunny.
Mountain Walk.
Shit.
Boogie.
Skinny.
Coon. There you go. Watch your mouth, boo-boo.
Spear chucker.
Motherfucker, I'm gonna chuck a spear up your ass. Hold it, I can't write that fast. Okay, is that it? That's all? We ran out of names pretty fast, didn't we? Okay, what did we learn here today?
Miss Chops, the white boys forgot a couple of names. Let's see. They forgot spades, spooks, and jigs.
Now, how'd you guys forget those names?
That must have been a little laugh, Mr. Sharp. I think it's because they're all a bunch of dumb-ass greaseballs getting What'd you say?
Yep.
You get your French Charlie's here, okay? Saturday. Got Saturday at noon. No guns, no knives, right?
There's a lot of hot chicks in this movie.
I want everybody out to school. You gotta get everybody. Don't worry, man. Fucking hang that little bastard.
Hey, Bruce.
What's the matter with you guys? Haven't you heard about me? Sticks and stones will break my heart. What's the matter with you animals? Come on, any homework?
chicken shit?
Tuesday. Tuesday.
You guys started it.
We didn't start it, asshole.
We heard you did.
You heard wrong. What else?
Bernardo, we ain't Italian.
I know you ain't Italian. So come on, what do you say?
So we say good luck to you.
Yeah, good luck.
Well, Richie, no nigger will face this. Hey, what are you doing with that? We don't need those, man. Put it away. You kidding me, man? Those guys will show up with pieces. Don't trust them. You gotta go for them first.
Yeah, you got a point, Richie.
Hey, listen, me and Clinton agreed. No guns and knives. You're gonna trust that nigga? You guys don't know where you're living. You're talking last year. We ain't going with you without thieves. Then you ain't going with us.
Nice knowing you guys. Let's beat it.
Have fun.
Damn.
I don't know.
I'm a savage. Savage. Savage.
Hey, look, Richie, I called my friends in the Baldy. You come on, come on. No, man, those guys like me. You call them, I think they'll come in with it. With Emmy and, it's all over.
Listen,
Hey,
I ain't calling you.
Paco.
I got my pride. Sometimes all you got is pride.
Paco.
You gotta hold your head up high. You know, I seen this movie once where this guy was being tortured by the Japs.
A Paco.
But he
Do
wouldn't give him
not.
any information.
Paco.
Every time they tortured him, he started singing the Star Spangled Banner.
Pocket Brewster.
Wow. What happened?
They killed him. Shut up, will you, buddy? You're depressing me. Hey, what was that?
Nah, man, you got the jitters. I'm going to take a wheel.
No, I thought I heard something. Did you guys hear anything?
Nah, you know. Nah, man. Baldy's got tied too.
Yo, Paco. Dude, man.
It's the ones!
Hey, Teddy Wong. How you doing? Thought you was coming early.
We did come early, man. We waited until now to make ourselves known.
But you just been hanging out in the bushes out here? It's pretty spooky.
We've been listening.
Listen, I called you Wong's here tonight for a reason.
We know your reason.
You gonna join us?
No. You wanna join down? Stay back. Don't fuck with the Wongs. No, the Wongs aren't joining anybody. Yet.
I love vodka.
What do you mean by yet?
We'll decide what's right when the time comes. The Wongs will wait and see.
Got 6 of these.
When what time comes? What is it? What do they mean? Where'd they go?
I don't know.
Hey, get back here. Get the fuck out of here, you cheek assholes. Hey, man, no sweat. They can't hear me.
Don't fuck with the Wongs.
Hey, Richie, look who I deserve, man. These trips to Bill Farmers, man. They're bringing in the cribs, Cavaliers, and
Shit, we got a fucking lace war on our hands. What are we gonna get? I mean, we're bringing some guys from Brooklyn, the Golden Guineas and Dusters or something. But one thing, we gotta stay cool. Gotta stay cool.
Hey, you ever notice how Spades got 2 million cousins all over the country? We need help, and I'm calling my friends in the Baldy.
You nuts, man? Forget it.
Yes, who?
Al Capone.
No, it's me.
Well, what do you know?
What are you doing, Richie?
Oh, nothing.
What's that list? You gonna rumble or something?
No, it's just some business. Hey, listen, I'll talk to you later, all right?
Thought we was gonna buy some records.
Oh, yeah, maybe a little later on, all right? Love you, baby.
Love you too. Oh, Richie?
Yeah.
My daddy wants to see you.
Listen, I hear Chubby's looking for me.
here, Richie.
You want to see me, Mr. Gloss?
Yeah. Me and my brothers wanted to see you because we heard you maybe got some trouble with the color.
John loves Melissa.
Yeah, how'd you hear about that?
How did we hear about that? How did the Galasso brothers hear about anything in this neighborhood? The reason I'm asking is that maybe you could use some help.
No, we can handle it.
Just remember, Richie, in this day and age, in this neighborhood, there's lots of ways to skin the cat. You know what I mean?
No, not exactly.
Think about it. You know where to find us.
These guys want Joey to come so he can heal our wound. I respect these guys, Richie. You give them a good rumble, there.
Hey, look what's coming. Look what the cat's action.
Hey, my favorite one, man.
You know, Joey, if I had a dog with a face like yours, I'd shave its ass and teach it to walk backwards.
Hey, yo, Dad, we come to you because we got problems with the niggas.
Hey, you guys know Roger, don't you?
What you mothers want?
And we got some personal business here.
Hey, you guys go to Tully High, don't you?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe you know a cousin of mine, Clinton Stitch, son of their mama.
Yeah, oh sure, Clint Stitch, I know, he's a good friend of mine. You know Clint, don't
Yeah,
you?
sure, we know Clinton. Yeah, everybody knows Clinton. Yeah.
You know, I think we can talk business better in the park.
What is this, a joke?
It's a joke. Just like your little
Hey,
joke
come on,
about pricks
come on,
with
take
ears.
it easy, will you?
Or was it ears without pricks?
Where are we going?
Hey, Tara, I knew he wasn't chicken shit.
Hey, Turkey, do me a favor, will you?
Sure, Tara, you know how I feel about you guys.
Hold these.
Hey, we were thinking about making you guys honorary members of the ball.
Hey, that's great, Pee-wee.
And we thought we might just start by shaving your head.
Come on, not my hair, all right?
Good for us, huh, man? Well, maybe we won't take your hair off. We'll just take something else off. Drop your pants.
Sure, Dad. What do you want?
No, you, Turkey. You're going to help us out here. Hop over.
Hey, listen, why don't you guys just shave our heads? Oh, go on.
We have delicate feelings. You guys seem to think you're too good for us.
You guys are about your throat.
Well, there you go again, hurting our feelings. Tie their hands. Now, Turkey, I want you to tie one end of the rope right there.
Jeez, Tara.
Turkey, man, don't do it.
Turkey is just a little test to get into the ball game. You know, see how brave a guy can be. Now, I know you guys heard of rock and roll. But you guys ever hear of rock and cock?
About cock and roll, mother.
Boy Scout night.
Turkey, don't do it, man. Don't do it, Turkey. You'll wander.
Turkey, you fucking homo.
Don't get me mad, Joey.
Okay, Turkey, pick up both of the rocks. You guys got any last words to say to your dick? Say bye-bye, dick. Nice knowing you. Turkey, throw the rocks over.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, shit. Looks like we gotta get shorter twine.
Oh yeah.
Don't you guys go away.
That was Troy's dad. That was hilarious. Troy's dad.
Right back.
Shout out to
Turkey, I got a soft spot in my heart for you.
shout out to Ron White.
What are we gonna do
That was
now?
funny.
We can't get anybody to help us, Richie.
I'm glad you took
Troy's dad.
Richie. You got a good sense of reality. We're gonna help you with your problem.
That was Troy's dad.
How you feeling today? How's the old ball now? Feeling hot?
Yeah, sure, always hot.
Yeah, sure, the roll is hot. You weren't so hot last week against those Long Island guys. Which reminds me, you see who's bowling out there tonight?
No.
Take a look.
guys from Long Island. Okay. You know what they're doing here tonight? I don't know. They come here for a rematch.
Mr. Galasso, those guys are too good. I mean, they killed us last week.
You know, Richie, you need some confidence. The other kid can wait here.
You guys gonna win big tonight. What are you kidding, Peppy Deal? These guys is good enough to be pros. Now you're thinking they is pros. Peppy checked up on them. They goes around to the different lanes. Out to the house bowlers. And out to the hustlers. They are greedy boys. Hey, what's Chubby gonna do? Chubby got a way of creating miracles.
What'll it be?
Oh, what's this?
5 big ones?
Hey, we ain't got quite that much.
No? Well, what do you got? $2,500. Well, I guess that'll have to do. Yeah, we'll need the money then.
Hey, whoa, pal. We get to pick the alley, right?
Anything. Come on, you guys gonna play or not? Let's cut the bullshit. Hey, wanna keep score too? Go ahead. I'm just a dumb guinea. What do I know? For all I know, you guys could be pros.
Hey, what are you guys talking about?
You guys are really good is what we're talking about.
Hey, wait a minute. What's happening? Where's everybody going?
Just closing for a while for a little privacy. That's not what I was thinking about.
Something good.
Not good. What I had in mind was a real handicap. You ever seen The Hustler? Good enough for Paul Newman, good enough for you. Now, where was we? Oh, yeah, you guys come to us with a problem. We'll take care of it. But remember, we're sportsmen. And we're interested in making a little bet on it. Nothing wrong with that, is there? Now, I understand you're playing the colors in North Bronx Football League, so. And I think it would be to our mutual benefit if you won one for the Galossos. Don't you? Yeah. You know, there's two kinds of people. Those with common interests and assholes like those hustlers. What I like about these colored sportsmen is they got common interests. Not all your colored are assholes. It's a shame to see kids beating each other's brains out, especially when there's no financial advantage. Right, Albert? Right. How are you? How are you, Dave? How you doing? Yeah, we're gonna have a little football game, man. Little sporting event. I'm glad these boys here brought us into the picture. It gives these kids a chance to settle their differences in a beneficial manner. Why do you say we adjourn to the bar for a little discussion? It's cool.
It's cheap.
What's all this?
Making a banner. Got a big game with the Del Bombers coming up. You should come, Dad.
Bud Light's watered down.
Hey, look at me.
It's watered down.
Hey, what kind of drawing you doing? Why can't you do something normal? You know, a mountain lake, a beautiful tree, birds. That's art. Those are normal people
Timmy,
that draw.
Mom.
They're freaks. Hey, you hear me?
Come here, Leo. Joey, time to eat.
They're freaks. Hey, good.
Yeah.
I gotta drop a few pounds. Gotta get more cuts. Hey, come on, let's eat, huh?
Look, guys, it's us against the world, all right? I mean, just the Wanderers. We gotta stick together.
Yeah, you gotta stick it to the Del Bombers. Joey, I got a gas for you. See if you can hit the songs over there.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead, you can go first.
That's pretty good.
That's my turn.
Yeah, sure, go ahead. Jesus. God, what'd you do that for? I thought you said we could hit the softest.
Yeah, I did. You win.
I'm in love. Look at that.
Hey, why don't you stick it to that?
Oh, I'm in love. Very cool, man. You know what, man? That's a perfect day for elbow tennis, huh? Hey, very cool.
You knew
How I love you, oh, how I love you,
Woo woo.
reason for my ya-ya. I'm sitting here, la-la, waiting for my ya-ya. It may sound funny, but I don't believe she's coming out.
Ooh.
Baby, what's where you going, huh? Yeah, but you tell people where they're going no more. They're watching in the future, huh?
Hot girls.
Hey, did you give me 10? Oh, shit, nice one, Dad. You didn't know what was happening. Hey, what was next, huh? Now you go.
me.
Yeah, come on. What are you, chicken?
Chicken? Just grip free feels like this in the street?
Too late. Hey, quit bothering me. Look, man, don't be afraid, all right? Watch this. Well, here goes the elbow-titting champion of the Bronx. How dangerous that was. Hey, you want a few? How you want a few? Don't hit me.
Hey, man, you look good.
Look at that. Hey, Richie, your turn.
What do you got? Come on, bro.
Hey, come on, let's go. Give it a go, man. Go on.
She's hot. Did you get a good one?
What do you mean?
Boy, I bet you think that's real funny.
What are you talking about? All right, I'm sorry I bumped into you. Hey, geez, you think I go around bumping into every girl on the street?
No, not into every girl. Just into the one weren't you trying to cop a free feel for?
Hey, I wasn't trying to do it.
Don't bullshit me. Aren't you a little bit old to be doing stuff like this? You know, I come from, they call it molesting.
Yeah, where you from?
Come on, scram, pal.
Oh, what school you go to?
No, whatever your name is.
Richie. What's yours?
It's Nina. Look, I don't go around talking to every guy who tries for a sly elbow tit in the street.
Hey, what do you got here? What is this? Oh, yeah, I know this book. That's a great book.
The whole thing or just the dirty part?
Hey, come on, Neil. Don't take me over the coals, huh? Can't you straight talk about books with a molest like me?
Sex fiend, hey, over here! Hey, Richie, let's make out, hey, I see your phone on you, Richie.
Hey, your friends want you back. You tell them everything?
Oh, you kidding? It's the dirty parts. Hey, listen, I really think we should see each other.
I gotta go. I've had a hard day.
Hey, wait, I want you to meet a friend. Hey, Joey, meet Nina.
Hi, Nina.
You know, you wouldn't know what to look at this guy, but he's really a great artist, you know? Hey, no, really, I think you could really hit it off.
I gotta get going.
Come on, give us your number, okay?
I'm not gonna give you my number. Hey, do you mind? Off the car, big fella.
Hey, Joe, give me your number. Maybe she'd like to go out party with you.
My number?
Yeah, KL50564.
KL50564. That's my number. KL50564. You got that, huh?
It's your code? Yes. You don't remember? Sure. Yeah.
Richard, you wanna... Hey, how did someone like that get away? Let's go! Come on, let's go! Come on! Hey, we'll get boys, Joey!
Yeah, man. I'm gonna let it get away. Thanks, huh? Oh, she was something else. Yes.
Richie. Now I think I know what you mean by true love.
She goes, don't lose her, huh? Sweet, huh?
Come
I saw you standing there, oh, you look so fine. Saw you.